Good morning, dear students. Today, we will discuss about reproductive health. First question. First question. According to which of the following organization reproductive health means total well-being in all aspects of reproduction? Options WHL, options UNESCO, option C is WHO, option A WHL, and option B is UNESCO, option C is the WHO, and option D is the WWW. And here, according to the organization, that is World Health Organization, the reproductive health means it's the total of well-being in all aspects of reproduction. That is according to World Health Organization. Second question: which one among the following first country in the world to initiate action plans and programs at a national level to attain a total reproductive health as a social goal? So options are China, India, Japan, and USA. So which country is that is initiating action plans and the programs at national level, total reproductive health, that is on the social goal? So that country is India. Third question: the family planning programs in India were initiated in 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981. So your family planning programs in India initiated in the year of 1951. Okay. Fourth question: RCH stands for routine check of health, reproduction cum hygiene, reversible contraceptive hazardous, and reproductive and child health care. Here, RCH stands for the reproductive child health care. Option D is the right answer. Fifth question: the technique which makes the amniotic fluid for the detection of prenatal disorder called as a laparoscopy, amniocentesis, endoscopy, ultrasound. Here, the technique that makes the use of amniotic fluid for the detection of the prenatal disorder, that is called as a amniocentesis. Option B is the right answer. Sixth one, Saheli, a new oral contraceptive developed by All India Institute of Medical Science, Central Drug Research Institute, Healthcare Private Limited, Bharat Immunological and Biological Corporation Limited. So here, the Saheli is a new oral contraceptive that is developed by the Central Drug Research Institute. Seventh question: what are the marriageable age for the females and males in India respectively in India? So here the age between the marriage age in the females and males in India, so that is 18 for, so that is females, and 21 for the males. Eighth question: which of the following traditional method of contraception? So implantation, option A implantation, lactational amenorrhea, condoms, and sterilization. And here, so lactational amenorrhea is the traditional method of contraception. So ninth question: which of the following contraceptive also provides a protection from the contacting STDs and AIDS, that is a sexually transmitted disease and AIDS, means which will provide a protection. So that is from the contacting sexually transmitted diseases and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So diaphragms, spermicidal forms, condoms, lactational amenorrhea. So use of a condoms, so that makes a protection from the contacting of STDs and AIDS. 10th question: diaphragm, cervical cap, vaults are, so they are the disposable contraceptive, reusable contraceptive, and non-medicated IUDs, copper releasing IUDs. Here diaphragm and cervical cap, vaults are the reusable contraceptives. Okay. 11th question: Which of the following groups of contraceptive are included under barrier methods? Option A, condom. Option Waltz, IUDs, cervical caps. IUDs, diaphragm, abstinence injections. Option C, condom, diaphragm, cervical cap, and Waltz and surgical methods, oral contraceptives, cervical caps, and Waltz. Here, the contraceptives are included under barrier method are, so the use of condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, Waltz, they are comes under the barrier methods of contraception. 12th question. So IUD stands for, so intrauterine devices, internal uterine devices, inseminated uterine devices, injected uterine devices. Here the IUDs stands for the intrauterine devices. Option A is the right answer. 13th question. Which of the following ions plays a effective role in the activity of IUDs? Iron, zinc, copper, aluminium. So here the copper, the ions that plays a effective role in the activity of intrauterine devices. 14th question. Which of the following contraceptive is one of the most widely accepted method of contraception in India? So option A, sterilization. Option B, intrauterine devices. Option C, withdrawal or coitus interruption. And option D is the medical termination of pregnancy. Here, the following most widely accepted method of contraception in India is intrauterine devices. Okay. Fifteenth question. Progesterone and LNG 20R implants, copper releasing IUDs, non-medicated IUDs, and hormone releasing IUDs. Here progesterone and LNG are, so they are hormone releasing IUDs, that is intrauterine devices. 16th question. The most important component of oral contraceptive pills is progesterone. Option B, growth hormone. Option C, thyroxine. And option D is the luteinizing hormone. Now, the most important component of oral contraceptive is pills is progesterone. 17th question. Tying of removing of a small part of a fallopian duct is called as a vasectomy, ductus arteriosus, archiodectomy, and tubectomy. Here, the small part of fallopian tube, so that is tying or removed small part of fallopian tube, that we called as a tubectomy. So that avoids a pregnancy. In which year MTP was legalized in India? 18th question. So 1971, option B 1951, option C 1981, option C 1923. So here 1971, the year where the MTP was legalized in India. 19th question. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the weeks of pregnancy. So 12 weeks, 15 weeks, 18 weeks, and 20 weeks. So MTPs are safe during during the 12 weeks of a pregnancy. So 12 weeks of a pregnancy, that is MTPs are so considered related during the safe during the 12 weeks of pregnancy. 20th question. STD, VD, UTI are a device which are used to delay the pregnancy, infections which are caused by food contamination, a disease which be transmitted through a sexual intercourse, and action plans program create awareness about various reproductive related health and problems. Here, the STD, the sexual transmitted disease, that is related to a disease which can be transmitted through a sexual intercourse. So multiple sexual intercourse with sex with the multiple partner, that leads into the sexual transmitted disease. So which means which are transmitted to the sexual intercourse. 21st, hepatitis B is transmitted through a blood transfusion, intimate physical contact, sexual contact, all of this. Here hepatitis B, it is transmitted through All three, that is the blood transfusion, intimate the physical contact, and as well as the sexual contact. So answer is all of this. Okay, so we'll go with the match the following questions. 50th question. Given below, four methods of A and D contraceptive in column 1 and their modes of actions achieving a contraception in column 2. So match the column 1 and 2 and select the correct option. So contraceptive pills, condom, B vasectomy, copper T. So in column 2, first one is prevent sperms reaching cervix. Second one prevents implantation, and third one is the prevents ovulation, and fourth one is semen contents to a sperm. Here the contraceptive pills, so that is prevent that is ovulation. Okay, contraceptive that is prevent ovulation. And next condom that prevents a sperm reaching to the cervix. Okay, and vasectomy that is vasectomy that vasectomy semen contains a no sperm, and copper T prevents a implantation, that is D fourth or D second one, that is prevent a implantation. So option, so K 3, B 1, C 4 and D 2, so that is option is B. So in 51 question, so match the following column 1 and 2 and choose the correct options. Non-medicated IUDs, hormone releasing IUDs, copper releasing IUDs. Lipispol, multilode 375, copper T, copper 7, LNG 20, and fourth one is progesterate. Option A, now non-medicated IUDs. So that is non-medicated is lip, so that is one lipus loop. Hormone releasing IUDs, so that is LNG. Okay, B is LNG, and C copper releasing is copper 3, that is 3, 4, and another is the and another is the fifth one. 1 minute. Here hormone releasing are both LNG and progesterone. This is option B. Okay, so multilode 375, copper T, copper 7, this is option for C, and this is option for A. So non-medicated is lipus loop. Okay, hormone releasing are LNG 20, progesterone, fifth and sixth one. Remaining 3, copper T, copper 7 and multilode 375. From 2 to 4, 2, 3 and 4 are the for this one copper releasing IUD. So option B is the right answer. So match the following column 1 and 2. Hepatitis B, Saheli, normal functioning of reproductive organs, World Health Organization, ELISA technique. So vitamin E, 7 April 1948, CIDR Lucknow, detection of antibody antigen and hepatitis B virus. So 52. So first one hepatitis B, that is fifth one. Sorry, this is A. Okay, hepatitis B is hepatitis B virus. Saheli, that is developed in the CDRI, that is a Drug Research Institute Lucknow. Okay, this will be the B. And normal function of reproductive organs health, that is vitamin E. So this is will be the C. Okay, and World Health Organization, that is D2, so 7th April, so this will be the D option, second D option. ELISA technique is that is the fourth one. It helps in the detection of antibody so option is A is the right answer. Okay, thank you dear students, hope you understand this session, and please go through the remaining part of questions.